Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you a very useful software for IT professionals and for home users. The name is AnyViewer. It's a very professional and welcoming software which you can use for many purposes like a remote desktop, like if you want to access your PC from anywhere in the world, you can use easily for your remote desktop. This have multiple modules like you can easily access your system from home or from anywhere. Second, you can do it file transfer locally or remotely to the devices, and you can also use this for technical issue resolving, like if you want to get some help from somebody or somebody want to help to you remotely on your system. So it's very pretty easy to use it. And the thing, if you want to play the game from any platform, like from mobile, from any other PC which don't have the best specifications, but remotely you have a good PC available, so you can access it very conveniently. If we talk about the pricing and the availability, this have three different modules and three different options to get. If you go for the pricing, first of all, it's available free of cost, nothing to pay. Second is a professional, and third one is enterprise solution. All the solutions include maximum facilities like high speed 2-channel and simultaneous sessions, 3 assigned devices, and like somehow free have some limited to the devices numbers. But in the professional and enterprises, you have a lot of changes and lot of other facilities available. And most of the feature which are similar to the other remote desktop softwares like AnyDesk, TeamViewer, and some other remote PC, etc. But the unique feature which I found here in this software and in this it is a access in privacy mode. It's a very useful and a unique feature. Like if you are accessing your PC from home to office, and your office screen, definitely it's visible, so anybody can see what you are doing actually. But with this facility, you can easily hide your screen while you are remotely connected. So the feature which I like it most is perfect one. So let's get started with the login page, and then I will download and install this software for you, and then I will show you how it can be installed easily. It's pretty easy to install actually. You can download and just install it, no issue. Like just click here and it's free download. Okay, after download, it's available for installation. Let's see the process how we can install it, and then we will sign up for our own convenience. Otherwise, without a sign up you can use it, but if you want to buy a professional or enterprise edition, definitely you need to sign up on the website. So here is the first screen. If you start installing, just click install. It will install on default path, and it's pretty fast. Safe and quick remote intro into PC anywhere. Okay, join the enterprise. If you want to join, you can join. Click join now. Otherwise, you can directly start using it like this. AnyViewer. It's a very responsive software. Okay, here it is. If you want to give your access to somebody, you can just copy and share your ID and the temporary safety code, which you can easily change. Means refresh, it will change automatically. You can copy and share with anybody. And if you want to access some other screen, so you can access from here with both options: remote desktop, remote control, and file transfer. And the other devices you can search here with login page. If you are logged in with the same username and ID on your home PC or on your office PC and some other like your mobile device, so it can be easily accessible here. And in some settings, if you can see, it is unattended, like without any acceptance or without anything, it will connect with your system remotely. Okay, and receives what you can allow and disallow. And controllers, as you can see, that the high quality, balance, or a high speed, it depends on your internet connection actually. And the security feature is available, like you can lock the screen after some time after inactivity. And the basic features are your name and etc, how it will be power on and power off. Okay, let's get start to try on other platform, like let me install on the mobile first, then we will go for a other PC. Okay, let me log in here also so it can be easily available. Yes, auto login, keep me login, and here I can see assign devices with free edition, and my devices are available here. As you can see, my connected device is this one. If I want to connect with this, I will just pretty easy to double click, and the vice versa. Here you can see that it is available to the other device as well. Okay, this is my remote device. If I want to connect, okay, as you can see, it's a one touch control, one click control. So let me connect from mobile to my PC. Just click here and it will show my PC, and just click one touch. It will show some gesture guidelines, like how to left click, double click, how to select, how to use it with finger, single finger and a double finger, and stretch, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, click finish, and now it's pretty good to see in landscape and in tower. So you can see this. We can zoom in, we can do like everything like this. Mouse usage and the screen usage is perfect and pretty smooth, so we can use it 100%. Everything we can do with it is optional in a touch screen. If we click here in the right corner, it shows stop connection, power management modes, and etc. So we can use virtual mouse mode. We can use like this. In mouse mode, here we can see them drag the mouse like this. If we select the touch mode, it will show the touch modes. And hide wallpaper, you can see it, wallpaper hidden. Like it can be convenience if you want the privacy mode. Okay, so privacy mode, okay, let me upgrade to the key so we can use this privacy mode. Let me register this software, and then I will show you how to use it privacy mode, which I like most. ओके जी, देखते हैं हम इसका प्राइवेसी मोड कैसे काम करता है. लेट मी शो यू. इसको मैं सबसे पहले कनेक्ट करूँगा अपने पीसी के साथ. ओके, वन टच कंट्रोल. Let me log in it. Yes, it's logged in. You can select do not save this. Okay ji, it is connected. And now actually I want to show you privacy mod. Here you can see the screen is showing pretty open, and I'm connected from my mobile. It shows like this. And now if I open privacy mode here, so you can see this, that the screen is totally hidden from the desktop system, and now it's only available to mobile screen. So it's a pretty good option, at least for your personal work, for gaming, and etc, for other things. But you are doing private documentation, anything you are opening pictures, etc, don't want to show to the office and to the other location, so you can hide unhide this privacy mode. At the last but not least, if you have any query, any problem, any issue, anything you want to clarify, you have to just go to their website, and just there are three different options: technical support, sales supports, and business support. Like if you want some, if you're having some technical issue, as I tested it myself, when I did one email at their email address, support@anyviewer.com. Within minutes I received this email, and they are very happy to help you, and they send me one location, one link to how to, actually my question was that how to register this key, and within seconds they give me this how to tutorial from their website, and they give me the proper guidelines with screenshots, like here you can click here, log in, then enter your license key, and enter license key and click register. So it pretty easy to get help from the support team, which I like most, because most of the companies not providing this kind of support, like it's a quick services. So you can download this in the description line. I'm giving you the download link, and your feedbacks are quite good. If you have any question related to that, you can comment me. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.